Hey, Olivia, what do you got there?
A cookie.
What kind of cookie is it?
A sugar cookie.
Yeah, a pink sugar cookie. Are those your favorite?
Yes.
No, don't eat it. Don't eat. You got to save it till after the video. We hope you're going to follow along with us. We're going to draw a pink sugar cookie. These are one of my favorites too. You need something to draw with. We're going to use markers. And we also have some paper. And what else do they need?
You need something to color with.
Yeah, something to color with. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's keep this off to the side, but we could also use this to look at while we're drawing so that we know what we're drawing. I'll put it over here so you don't eat it. What shape is a sugar cookie?
A circle.
A circle. So the first thing we're going to draw is a big circle. And I'm going to start here, and I'm going to hold my paper so it doesn't go wrinkly. We're going to draw a big circle. I'm getting a little wiggly. We're going to come around, and then we're going to connect up here at the top. And that's okay that it's bumpy because are cookies perfect circles or bumpy circles?
Bumpy circles.
They are because it's cookie dough.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you want to do yours?
Uh-huh. It's a hot dog cookie.
Yeah, I like it. And it's okay that our two drawings look different, right?
Yeah.
Because the most important thing is?
To have fun and practice.
Yeah, to have fun and practice. And even though our drawings look different, they're both turning out awesome. And that's the same with their drawings. If your drawings look different, I'm sure they still look really cool.
Yes.
And tasty. Should we keep going?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's draw the pink frosting. And on yours, let's add a lot of pink frosting. So you watch me first. I'm going to draw a wiggly line. So this one's going to be more wiggly than the first line we drew. I'm going to draw it really close to the circle so that we have a lot of frosting. And some of the wiggles can be little and some of them can be big. And we're going to go all the way around until we connect. It's another wiggly circle. There you go. Yeah, all the way to where you started. Now what should we draw on our cookie?
The funny face.
A funny face. Okay, let's do it. I'm going to draw the eyes right here first. So I'm going to draw a circle. And I'm going to draw another circle over here. Oh, I'm drawing them really far apart. And you could draw different eyes. If you want to draw them closed, you could draw upside down U's.
Like this.
Yes. Oh, that's really cute.
And then I'm going to do this.
Oh, really happy? Oh.
And then doop, doop, doop.
Is that the teeth?
Yeah.
I like it. Okay, now I'm going to finish mine. I'm going to draw little highlights in the eyes. I'm going to color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. But I'm going to do something a little bit different than what I usually do with the eyes. I'm going to draw another circle on the outside. I'm going to keep this white so it looks like my eyes are really big. I'm going to do the same thing over here. And I kind of made it look like my cookie is cross-eyed. And then I'm going to draw a mouth like yours. I'm going to draw two lines like this. And then I'm going to connect the top down to the bottom on both sides. And then I'm going to add teeth, but my teeth are going to be different. I like how your teeth are together. I'm going to draw mine separate.
Oh, I forgot something.
What else are you going to add? Oh, a line right. Now you got the top teeth and the bottom teeth.
Yeah.
Just like me, I'm going to have top teeth and bottom teeth. But mine's kind of open, so I'm going to color in this inside part. Now, our friends can pause the video and take extra time to draw their funny face. You don't have to draw it like ours. You see how we drew our faces different. Our friends could draw theirs different too. You could draw your sugar cookie mad, or maybe your sugar cookie is laughing or asleep.
Oh, yeah. Or you could also draw it singing.
Singing, a singing sugar cookie?
Yeah.
That's one I wouldn't want to eat. I would want to keep that one. We did it. We finished drawing our sugar cookies, except we're not completely done.
Still let you color it.
Yes, my favorite part. And we are going to fast forward. So remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. Oh, you know what else I'm going to do while we're coloring it?
What?
Add sprinkles.
Oh, that sounds tasty.
Okay, you ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Olivia, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our sugar cookies. I love yours so much, especially that face.
Thank you. I like these too.
Thank you. Except my face turned into an angry face. When I added the sprinkles, they look like eyebrows. And so I thought it looked happy at first, and now it just looks really mad.
Yeah.
This one, you got to be careful. Don't eat that one.
Yeah, do not.
He might come after you. Now you guys can pause the video to match your same coloring. You can also add more things to your drawing. What could our friends add?
A background.
Oh yeah, you guys could draw a background. You could also add more sugar cookies. Maybe this one's on a plate with lots of sugar cookies all around him.
Oh yeah.
We also used our markers to color with, but you can color with whatever you have at home or in the classroom.
We hope you have a lot of fun drawing a sugar cookie with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you have fun adding more things like a funny face and also a background. Oh, you know what? It's time to eat our sugar cookie.
Yes.
Do you want to take the first bite? Don't
Yes.
eat the whole thing.
I want to.
We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. Wait, seriously, don't eat the whole thing. I need some.
Not very.
Is it good?